Children, let us look at next problem. From observation point P, let's say this is P. You can see there is a building whose height is given 10 meters. And then on the building there is a flag staff. Flag staff is nothing but flagpole. Indian flag is there. So we don't know the height of that flag staff. So you need to find the height of that flag staff when the building height is given, and you don't know the distance between the observation point and the building. So here two things are to be found: distance between observation point and the building, and the height of the flag staff where the building height is given 10 meters. Now let us look at angles given. From this observation point, when the building is seen, from this observation point, when the building is seen, it's making 30 degrees of angle of elevation. This is horizontal, this is horizontal, and then this is line of sight which we can see to the building. So angle of elevation of the building is 30 degrees. Now let us look at the top of the flag also. When we look at top of the flag, this top of the flag, what angle is it making? It's making angle of elevation of 45 degrees. This is a data given. Angle of elevation of the building is 30, angle of elevation of flag is 45, and the height of the building is 10. We need to find the height of the flag and distance between the point of observation and the building. So children, let us find the solution of this problem now. Let us read the question once. It is from a point P on the ground, the angle of elevation of the top of 10 meters tall building is 30 degrees. So now let me take this to be the ground and this is the building. So now from this point P on the ground, the top of the building is making an angle of elevation 30 degrees. So let me take this building height as AB and this is given to be 10 meters. So our first sentence is completed. A flag is hoisted at the top of the building and the angle of elevation of the top of flag staff from P is 45 degrees. So there is a flag hoisted on it. This is the flag, and the top of the flag from the point P, when we observe, it is 45 degrees it seems. Then what is he asking? Find the length of the flag staff and the distance of the building from the point. He is asking us to find the length of this flag staff, this red one, and also distance of the point from the building. These are the two things he is asking. Figure is completed. We'll describe it. Let the height of building be, let the height of building is equal to how much beta? AB is equal to 10 meters. At the same time, let the height of flag staff. What is the height of flag staff here? Let us take this point as C. So it is BC. We don't know the height of that, so leave it as it is. Then now distance of point P from building, it is AP or PA, you can write. And after that, you know the angles are given, that is angle of elevation of the top of the building is 30, angle of elevation of the top of the flag is 45. Let's get into the problem. So children, when we look at this problem, there are two right angle triangles. First we will take this right angle triangle PAB. In this right angle triangle, by using this opposite side, we will find adjacent side. You will get one answer, right? Again in the triangle, big triangle will work. PAC, we have adjacent side. By using this adjacent side, we will find opposite side. That's the procedure we need to follow here. So let's get into the first triangle. What is the triangle we were talking about? In triangle PAB. What is right angle beta here? Angle A is 90 degrees and angle P is equal to 30 degrees. This one. So now this is opposite side and this is adjacent side and this is going to be hypotenuse side. We have opposite and we need adjacent. So what is the relation that you will use here? Tan theta is equal to opposite side by adjacent side. So tan theta, theta is how much beta here? Theta is 30, opposite side is AB and adjacent side is PA. AB, PA. Tan 30 from the table. What is tan 30 from the table? 1 by root 3. AB, how much is AB given? 10 by PA we don't know. So when you cross multiply, what do you get? PA into 1 is PA is equal to 10 root 3. So you got one answer. How much it is? 10 root 3 meters. What is this? This is the distance between P and the building. One answer has already come. Okay, let us conclude it later. Let us get into other triangle. In triangle PAC, angle A is 90 degrees and angle P is how much beta? Angle P is 45 degrees. Children, whenever the 45 degrees comes, I gave you one clue, one hint that whenever the angle is 45, the opposite side and the adjacent side both will be equal. This adjacent and opposite. When this is 10 root 3, this will also be 10 root 3. This total, how much it will be? 10 root 3 meters. But we will do it here. We will not directly give the answer. So now tan theta is equal to opposite side by adjacent side, because we have adjacent. By using this adjacent we will find opposite. So tan theta, theta is how much here? 45 degrees. Opposite side is nothing but AC by adjacent side is AP. So tan 45 is 1. Opposite side AC we don't know, but AP already is existed. Already we have found it. That is nothing but 10 root 3. So when you cross multiply, AC is equal to 10 root 3 meters. This AC, how much you got? 10 root 3 as per our plan. Now let's give the conclusion. Let's give the answer to him. First, what is he asking? Find the height of the flagstaff. BC is needed. So you write here, height of flagstaff is equal to AC minus whole height minus AB, building height. That is 10 root 3 minus 10. So 10 into root 3 is what? 1.732 minus 10. So 10 into 1.732, how much beta? It is 17.32 minus 10. So overall you will get 7.32 meters. What is this 7.32? Is nothing but the height of the flagstaff. And then the distance of P from the building. Distance of P from building. How much it is? Already answer is there with us. So we'll just conclude it saying that it is equal to 10 root 3 meters. So this is how we find the height of the flagstaff and the distance between P and A. Let us read the question. The shadow of the tower standing on a level ground is found to be 40 meters longer when sun's altitude is 30 than when it was in 60. So this is tower and this is the shadow when the angle is 60. This is tower and this is the shadow when the angle is 30. So when the angle is 30, the shadow is 40 meters longer than when it was at 60. So now let us present it. First, height. Let height of tower be. How much it is? AB. AB. As we don't know, I am taking it as AB itself. Then next, let us take this point as Q. Then length of shadow when sun's altitude is 60 degrees is equal to how much it is? AP, this one is equal to x meters. This is the sun's, and this is the shadow when the sun's elevation is 60 degrees, right? So now length of the shadow when sun's altitude is 30 degrees. How much is the shadow length? QP it is, QA. QA is equal to x plus 40 meters. This is x and this is 40 meters more than the previous. So now what else you need? That's it. Angle of elevation is 60 here, 30 here. So we'll get into now trigonometric concepts. First we will take this triangle PBA. In triangle PBA or PAB, whatever it is, angle A equal, this is right angle and this is the angle provided. Angle A equal 90 degrees and angle P equal 60 degrees. So here we don't need hypotenuse, we need opposite and adjacent. So what is the relation between opposite and adjacent? Exactly tan theta. So tan theta equal opposite side by adjacent side. So now tan theta is how much beta here? 60 degrees is equal to opposite side is AB and adjacent side is PA. So tan 60 is root 3 from the table, and AB is how much beta here? We don't know. So AB, keep it as it is, and this is taken as x. We have taken that as x. So now when you cross multiply, what do you get beta? AB is equal to root 3 x. This is AB. How much it is? Root 3 x. Your work in the first triangle has finished. This is finished. Now let's get into second triangle. What is the second triangle? QAB. In triangle QAB, what is right angle here? Angle A is right angle and angle Q is 30 degrees. So same way we'll go with opposite side by hypotenuse side. So opposite side by adjacent side. Tan theta is equal to opposite side by adjacent side. So tan theta is how much beta this time? 30 is equal to opposite side. What is opposite side here? AB by adjacent side. So we are working in the big triangle now, this triangle. Right. What is adjacent side then? QA. So children, tan 30 from the table is 1 by root 3 is equal to AB. How much is AB here? Root 3 x by QA. Do you know QA? Yes, you know it. X plus 40. So write it x plus 40. So let us cross multiply. Root 3 into x. Root 3 into root 3. 3x is equal to x plus 40 into 1. X plus 40. So 3x. Let us bring that x also this side. Minus x is equal to 40. So 3x minus 1x is how much better? 2x. 2x is equal to 40. So x is equal to how much here? 20 meters. So where is x? This is 20 meters. X is nothing but 20 meters. What is he exactly asking? Find the height of the tower. So height of the tower is equal to how much beta? AB is equal to how much did you get here? Root 3 x. That is nothing but root 3 into x is nothing but 20. So it's going to be 20 root 3 meters. If you want, you can even substitute the value of root 3 and give the answer. Children, let us read the question once. From a point on the ground, the angles of elevation of the bottom and the top of transmission tower fixed at the top of 20 meters high building are 45 degrees and 60 respectively. So this is a ground, and he is talking about a building, and on the building there is a tower, it seems. On the building there is a tower. So let us once again read. From a point on the ground, let us take this as a P, A, B as the building, and this BC as the tower. So from a point on the ground, the angles of elevation of the bottom and the top of transmission tower. Where is the bottom of the transmission tower? This is the bottom and this is the top. Bottom and the top of transmission tower finds fixed at the top of 20 meters high building. So this is given to be 20 meters or 20 meters high building are 45 degrees, 60 degrees. So bottom is making 45 degrees of angle and the top is making 60 degrees of angle of elevation, it seems. Once again, there is a building of 20 meters high, on that there is a transmission tower. From a point, the bottom and the top of transmission towers are making 45 degrees and 60 degrees respectively. Did you find anything similar, children? Is there any similarity of this question with any? In the previous question we have done it. On the building there was a flag and we found the flag height and distance of P to the same question. Only the story is different. So let the height of building, let the height of building be, how much it is? AB. Already it is given as 20 meters. Then the height of tower is how much? BC. We don't know what is the height, so I am taking it as BC itself. And the distance of point P from tower is how much here? It is AP. That's it. Now let's get into the trigonometric terms. This PAB, this is a right angle triangle. In this, if you work out with right angle, how much is the angle? 45. If this is 20, how much this is going to be? 20. Why it is going to be 20 beta? Because I said whenever the angle is 45, opposite side and adjacent side will be equal. So like that you will get in this triangle. In the big triangle again, PAC, by using this adjacent side you can find opposite side. Same method. So let us see. In triangle PAB, angle A is 90 degrees and angle P is 45 degrees. So let us take tan theta, which is opposite side by adjacent side. So tan theta is how much beta here? 45. Opposite side is AB and the adjacent side is AP. So tan 45 is equal to AB by PA. So tan 45 is how much from the table beta? 1. AB is given here. How much it is? 20. By PA we don't know. Actually this was guessed, right? Because of 45 we have written it. So let us go through procedure. PA into 1, PA is equal to 20 meters. So now you got this distance as 20 meters. So now, as in one triangle we have already worked out, let us go for next right angle triangle. What is that? PAC. In triangle PAC, angle A is 90 and what is the other angle provided? Angle P is 60 this time, because you are taking the bigger triangle, right? So here again tan theta is equal to opposite side by adjacent side. Why is that you are taking tan theta here? Because in this whole triangle adjacent side is given to you and this opposite side you wanted. So adjacent, opposite. What is the relation between opposite and adjacent? It's nothing but tan theta. That's the reason you are taking it. Tan theta. What is theta this time? 60 is equal to opposite side AC and adjacent side, that is nothing but PA. So tan 60 is root 3. AC, how much is AC? We don't know. So AC by PA, how much is PA here? Already we got it, 20. So what is AC going to be? AC is equal to 20 root 3 meters. So this height is 20 root 3 meters. So children, now tell me what is the height of this transmission tower? Nothing but 20 root 3 minus 20. So let us go for that. Height of tower is equal to AC minus AB. This AC complete height minus this AB. So AC is how much? 20 root 3 minus AB. How much is this? 20. So 20 into 1.732 minus 20. So how much do you get beta here? 20. 2 2 is 4, 2 3 is 6, 2 7 is 14, 2 1 is 2, 3. So it is 4.64 minus 20. So you will get 14.64 meters. This is the height of the transmission tower. So children, let us read the question once. A statue 1.6 meter tall stands on the top of pedestal. So this is the ground and this is the pedestal. Pedestal is nothing but a small stage where the statues are kept. So let us take this to be the statue. So what is he saying here? A statue 1.56 meter tall. This statue height is 1.6 meter. Stands on the top of the pedestal. From a point on the ground, the angle of elevation of the top of the statue is 60. From a point, the angle of elevation of the top of the statue is how much? 60 degrees it seems. Right? And from the same point, the angle of elevation of the top of the pedestal, from the same point P, angle of elevation of the top of the pedestal, this is the top of the pedestal, is how much? 45 degrees. Children, it's a similar question, but in the earlier it was a building and the transmission tower, right? Here now he's saying pedestal and statue. So in the earlier he said top of the tower and bottom of the tower he said. Now he is saying top of the statue is making 40 and top of the pedestal is making 45. Just a gimmick of the words. So now let's name this. AB be the height of pedestal and BC be the height of statue. So here let the height of pedestal B is equal to how much it is, tell me? Height of pedestal mean this AB. We don't know it, so I am keeping it as AB only. And the height of statue. So what is the height of statue? BC is equal to 1.6 meters. Already it is given. So what is the distance of P from the pedestal? Distance of P from pedestal is equal to PA. We don't know what is the distance also. Right. Now let's once clearly understand what exactly is asking in the question. Find the height of the pedestal. So he is asking this height now. This height he is asking us to find. Of course we can find even this distance also. In the previous he asked, but here he is asking pedestal height now. So now let's take the same way as earlier we have taken. This you take. So as we don't know this height, so let me take H. We can take even it as H also. AB is equal to how much? H meters I am taking. Why am I taking H meters? Still now I did not take. Why am I taking? Because this is an unknown, that is also unknown. So one unknown I will take as H. So now in triangle, what is the first right angle triangle beta here? PAB. In triangle PAB, angle A is 90 and angle P is 45 degrees. And children, what you have to know, when the angle is 45, what did I tell you? Whenever the angle is 45, the opposite side and adjacent side will be equal. So when this is H, this will also be H. You will get that answer as H. Let us see. Tan theta is equal to opposite side by adjacent side. So tan theta is how much here? 45 degrees. What is the opposite side? AB. Adjacent side? PA. So AB by PA. So tan 45 is 1 and AB. What is AB beta here? What we have taken it as H. H by PA you don't know. So you keep it as it is. So when you cross multiply, what do you get beta then? PA is equal to H meters. So as we already have discussed that when the angle is 45, opposite side and adjacent side will be same. You got it. This is h and this is also h meters. Now next, let us take the bigger triangle. What is there in that? P, A and C. So in triangle PAC, A is 90 degrees and what is the other angle provided here? This is 60 degrees. So angle P is equal to 60 degrees. Same work you have to do, adjacent, opposite. So let us, tan theta is equal to opposite side by adjacent side. So tan theta, theta is how much here? 60 degrees, is equal to opposite side, mean AC. And what is the adjacent side here? PA. Let us substitute the values whatever you know. Tan 60 is root 3. AC, how much is AC? H, this is H plus 1.6. H plus 1.6. By what is PA? PA is here? H. So when you cross multiply, you will get the answer now. H into root 3, H root 3 is equal to H plus 1.6 once, H plus 1.6. Here as you are trying to find the value of H, so you take H one side. So H root 3 and you take that H also this side, minus H equal 1.6. So H if you take common, root 3 minus 1 is equal to 1.6. What is H value then? 1.6, and this root 3 minus 1 will get down. So it will become by root 3 minus 1. This is the height of pedestal. But let us still, you can solve it if you want. You can go for rationalization also. So let us see that way. H is equal to 1.6 by root 3 minus 1 into, as it is root 3 minus 1, what is the rationalizing factor of this? Root 3 plus 1. So root 3 plus 1 by root 3 plus 1. What do you get better then? 1.6 into root 3 plus 1 in the numerator. In the denominator, it is in the form of a minus b into a plus b. What is a minus b into a plus b? A square minus b square. So you will get 1.6 root 3 plus 1 by 3 minus 1 is nothing but 2. 2 into 0.8. So you will get the answer 0.8 root 3 plus 1. Here this is the height of the pedestal. So you can conclude it here by saying that height of pedestal is equal to 0.8 into root 3 plus 1 meters.